Travis here with DS Diving Service. We're here at Safe Harbor. Faith. Today's date is July 12th, 2019. We're going to take a quick look on the cooling intakes. The port side has been cleaned, the starboard side has not. We're also going to take a quick look at the stern thruster and the bow thruster. The bow thruster has not been complete yet. The stern thruster has been cleaned. We're just going to dive down and take a quick look. Also going to look at a couple of the portholes, and then that'll be it for the video for now. Then I'll finish cleaning the rest of the boat. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. In the video, I also took a look at, wanted to show you the zinc situation as well. All the zincs need to be replaced. Including the bow thruster zincs, stern thruster, the rudders, the shaft, shaft lock, prop locker, and trim tab sinks all need to be replaced. You can see how bad these portholes were, and how badly gunked up the intakes are as well, which require a lot of time to go ahead and finesse and get all that stuff out of there without breaking the grates. So that's it for now. I'll go ahead and finish cleaning the Faith. Thank you again for choosing DS Diving. Have a good day.